Today we're making Parmigiana di Melanzane recipe, which is an Italian dish. Let's move towards the recipe. Peel eggplant and cut into even slices, sprinkle some salt on it. Now place any heavy object on it and let it drain for few hours to remove bitterness of eggplants. Turn on the flame and add 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Fry chopped onion for a minute and then add chopped tomatoes. Add salt, black pepper, 5 to 6 basil leaves and 1/2 cup of water. Now cover it and cook on medium flame for 25 to 30 minutes. Then blend the mixture and let it cool completely. Now add eggs, whisk it well and set aside. Coat the eggplant slices with flour. Now deep fry the eggplant slices from both sides until golden brown. Add tomato sauce, fried eggplant slices, prepared tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese and fresh basil leaves. Preheat the oven and bake it at 180 Celsius until cheese melts and garnish with fresh basil leaves. Delicious Parmigiana di Melanzane recipe is ready to eat. Hope you liked our video. Share and watch this space for more easy and quick recipes. Enjoy!